Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're looking at one of the best assorted tattoo cartridge needle sets available in the market. Introducing the 50 Assorted Tattoo Cartridge Needles Mixed Size No. 10 Bug Pin Roundliner Shader Magnum by A-minusone. Whether you're a seasoned tattoo artist or just starting out, having the right tools is crucial. Let's break down what makes this set stand out. It includes a total of 50 cartridges, each individually packaged and sterilized with EO gas for single-use safety. You get a variety of needle configurations, 5 pieces each of 5 RL, 7 RL, 9 RL, 11 RL, 5 rupees, 9 rupees, 15 M1, 21 M1, 15 RM, and 21 RM. This ensures you have the right needle for different tattooing techniques from lining to shading. Crafted from 316L surgical stainless steel and medical-grade plastic, these cartridges are not only durable but also feature a unique design to prevent backflow and ensure stability during tattooing. The transparent tube design allows artists to monitor ink flow and remaining ink levels, providing better control and efficiency during tattoo sessions. These cartridges are compatible with most rotary tattoo pens, making them versatile for various tattooing machines. Whether you prefer a particular brand or style, these cartridges fit seamlessly. They're favored for their stability, precise needle movements, and minimal ink wastage, making them a favorite among professionals and enthusiasts alike. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your tattooing equipment or stock up on reliable cartridges, the 50 Assorted Tattoo Cartridge Needles from A-minusone are definitely worth considering. They offer exceptional quality, safety, and versatility at an affordable price point. That wraps up our review for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.